Right, when we begin to mark the mortise and tenon joint, first thing we need to do is mark a face side and a face edge. Face side mark, face edge mark. We do that on both pieces of timber, as you can see. We're going to make a simple mortise and tenon joint. You can see I've got the face sides facing the same way, upwards. I'm now going to mark the width of the timber. We do this by placing it on, and with the point of the pencil, just putting a dot either side. We then get a square, and from the face side, we square the line across, like that, and then all the way round to the other side. This now is going to become our mortise joint. Next thing we need to do is to get a mortise gauge. You'll notice on the mortise gauge there are two pins, one that's fixed and one that slides up and down. We're going to put our mortise hole in the edge of the timber, and we're going to make it 1/3 the width. For this purpose, the timber is 30mm, so we're going to make our mortise hole 10mm. So I've got 10mm there, 10mm for our mortise hole, and 10mm there. We then have to set the gauge. We do this by putting the fixed pin onto the hole that we've just made with our pencil and sliding the other one to it, so it gives us a 10mm hole. We can then slide the edge of the gauge to the face side mark and tighten it up. So again, from the face side mark, we can then scribe the line. That then is going to become our mortise hole. Turn it over the other side, making sure our gauge is on the face side, and mark the other side. That then is our mortise hole. Okay. The next step is to mark the tenon part of it. This piece then is going to become the tenon. First of all, we need to mark the shoulders. Again, placing the timber on, making a dot, and then squaring it round from the face side and the face edge. Those are going to be the shoulders of our tenon. Using the same gauge set for the mortise hole, I'm going to gauge round again from the face side to form the tenon. down that side, across the top, and down that side. That then is going to become our tenon. This time I'm going to take these bits off, so that when we've cut it, that it will fit into there.